We'll guide you through how to create scientific figures in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop. You'll be greeted with a blank canvas to start. You need to set your document properties. Go to the top menu and click on File, then Document Properties. Here, you can adjust the size of your canvas to fit your needs. It's often helpful to switch to a standard size like A4 or letter for scientific figures. Once your canvas is set, you can use the rectangle or circle tools on the left toolbar to create basic shapes for your figure. For more complex designs, you can use the Bezier tool to draw custom shapes. To label your figures, use the text tool, which allows you to click anywhere on the canvas and start typing. You can adjust the font size and style from the text and font menu to ensure clarity. If you need to import data or graphs, you can do so by going to File, then Import. This allows you to bring in external images or data visualizations that you may have created in other programs like Excel or R. Once imported, you can position and scale them using the selection tool. Remember, alignment is key in scientific figures, so use the Align and Distribute menu to evenly space out your elements. You can find this option under Object in the top menu. To ensure your colors are print friendly, you might want to use the CMYK color model. You can adjust colors by selecting an object and changing its fill and stroke from the fill and stroke menu on the right. Finally, when you're happy with your figure, go to File, then Save As, and choose a format like SVG for vector quality or PNG for raster images. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted scientific figure ready to enhance your next publication or presentation. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.